Hello. So the question is like, from a top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to just draw the diagram according to the question you have to give in. Okay. So after that you can find whatever the question is asking like. Okay. So here it is given like from a top of a 7-meter high building. Okay. So suppose that this is a 7-meter high building. Okay. So from this, like me, top of that, so what is the angle of elevation? Angle of elevation by looking in the upward direction. Okay, so this angle is given like, so what is the angle of elevation? So it is given like 60 degree. Okay, so angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, so now it is also given that the angle of depression of the foot of a tower is 30 degree. So depression means by looking downwards. Okay, so it must be like this. Okay, so this is like this is given 30 degree. Okay, so this is given 30 degree. So let me join this thing. Okay, yeah, so according to the question I have drawn this figure. Okay, so this is the angle of elevation, this is the angle of depression. Okay, so now what we have to find, we have to find the height of the tower. So basically we have to find this whole height. Okay, so this height is given in the question like, if it is 7 meter then it is also the 7 meter. Okay, and let us suppose that this will be h. Okay, so final, the total height, the find the height of the tower. So what is the height of the tower at last? So the height must be h plus 7. Okay, so the h plus 7 must be our answer. Okay, so basically we have to calculate this h. Okay, so whenever this kind of a question you have to solve, simply you have to remember the different kind of a relation of sine, cos, tan. Like you have to remember this relation. Like, so the angle, if you are going to find, like, so we can say that perpendicular base hypotenuse. Okay, so sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, so you know this thing. Okay, so if you know this thing, then you can solve any question. Okay, so basically let me know, like let me give the name A, D, C, B and E. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to use the two triangle. Like, so in first of all, in the triangle like AEB. Okay, so in triangle AEB. Okay, so basically what we have to find, we have to find this height. Okay, so we are solving this for the height so that we can find the height of the tower. Okay, so in the triangle AEB, okay, so this 60 degree, so tan 60 degree is equal to, so what is sine cos tan? So tan means perpendicular upon base. So what is the perpendicular? This h. And what is the base? AB. Okay, so this is the base, so we can write h upon AB. Okay, so from this we can say that h is equal to, so what is the tan 60 degree? Okay, root 3. Okay, so we can write this thing as AB root 3. So this is the equation first. Okay, so again in the next triangle like ACB. Okay, so in triangle CAB we can say that. Okay, so in triangle CAB, so again the tan 30 degree. So what is tan? Perpendicular upon base. Okay, so what is a perpendicular? Like 7 is a perpendicular, and what is a base? Like AB. Okay, so we can write tan 30 degree is equal to 7 upon AB. Okay, and from here we can find the value of AB. So what is the value of AB? So tan 30 must be 1 upon root 3. So after the cross multiplication we get the AB like 7 root 3, and this is the equation 2. Okay, so now we have two equation and we can easily find. So if we are going to put this AB value in this equation first, so 7 root 3 into root 3, so what is the h? 7 root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 must be 3. So 7 3 is 21. Okay, so what is the final height? H plus 7. So that must be 28. So 28 must be the correct answer. Okay, thank you.